Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun recipe. And today we're going to be doing something with bourbon. So I would like to make just a really small little moment and give a big shout to everybody that actually works in the hair industry. Basically, you know, the hairstylists, all these beautiful people that they help every single one of us to look good. And in special today, I want to say hi to my friends from the barber shop in Tijuana, my friend Danny, El Mowgli, y Daniel, El Dueño. Cheers to you guys. And actually, this cocktail is based on his question. He actually had a really rough night with vodka, and he switched over to bourbon. So he's jumping from the pan to the fryer. But anyways, he was asking me for something sweet, something good. Well, today we're gonna have the cherry mash with bourbon. So please stay with me. Let me show you how this guy is gonna be done. Cheers for everybody in Tijuana. All right, so the cherry whiskey mash. Very simple, very easy. Just you're gonna have to do a little tiny bit of hard work. And this is gonna be your mint syrup. So how are you gonna make this guy? Very, very, very easy. You're gonna grab half of a cup of sugar, half of a cup of water, and half of a cup of mint leaves. You're gonna put the sugar on the water and you're gonna put them to boil. At the moment that it starts boiling, you're gonna lower the actual heat and you're gonna start like making it kind of like a simmer. So that's the moment when you're gonna add all the actual mint leaves. And you're gonna let it simmer, kind of like semi-boiling for about like 5 minutes. Turn it off. Don't let this guy to go brown. You want it to have this kind of like a cool greenish color. And it just makes like a really nice syrupy reduction. So this thing is gonna be a perfect base for mojitos, for some mocktails, or in this case, for the cherry bourbon mash. So here we go. Let me show you how this guy is gonna be done. So we're gonna need your Jaeger. You're gonna need 2 ounces per cocktail. So we're gonna be making 2 cocktails right here. So 2 ounces of bourbon per cocktail. Let's make it up to 4 ounces. On the actual syrup, you're gonna need 1 ounce per cocktail. So let's go for 2 ounces of your mint syrup, which by the way, it tastes absolutely amazing. You're gonna grab per cocktail 3 cherries, remove the steam, and remove the actual seed. So you're gonna have basically like 6 for 2 cocktails. We're gonna grab the muddler, and we're gonna proceed to do the muddling, basically the smash. Make sure you break down the cherries very well, that way you're gonna have all the flavors. And especially you want to have a really nice reddish color. Let's put the guy on the side. Fresh lime juice, you're gonna use half of an ounce. So in this case, we're gonna go for a full ounce, 2 cocktails. Get your shaker, a little bit of ice. Let's give it a good shake. Let's fill up our glasses with ice. And we're gonna do what is called double strain. Strainer number 1, strainer number 2. We're gonna top this thing with club soda. Club soda, what it's gonna do is gonna put some effervescence on it, which call it texture. And obviously we're gonna put a really cool garnish, which is gonna be your cherry with a lemon wheel and your mint. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, for all those barbers and hairstylists. That's going to be the whiskey cherry mash. Salud, everyone.